First of all, I want to thank TechArc as they were kind enough for sending the MSI GK40 keyboard. Here is the keyboard itself, sleek, premium, and immediately eye-catching. Even though it's a membrane keyboard, but typing feels really smooth with tactile feedback. The built-in wrist rest adds comfort, especially for those long hours at the desk. Let's talk about the competition. You could get a cheap mechanical keyboard for 5,500 rupees, but the MSI GK40 offers way more. RGB lighting, a sturdy build, and the premium MSI quality. The GK40 delivers no ghosting, no input lag, and it held up perfectly while playing CS2. For 5,500 rupees, the MSI GK40 gives you the premium feel and performance. If you are interested, head over to the link in my bio where you can find all the details on how to purchase it. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one.